Welcome to Rise and Shine, your daily business tech boost with me, Charly Leetham. If you're a small business owner looking to simplify technology and get real, actionable advice from someone with 35 years of IT experience, you're in the right place. Every episode, I'll dive into tools and systems like email, CRM, marketing and tracking, and I'll break them down into bite-sized tips you can use straight away. Your time is valuable, so let's get straight to the point. It's time to work smarter, not harder. Rise and Shine. It's your dose of business tech inspiration with me, Charly Leetham. Episode number 618 today, and it's going to be a quick one, I think. I think we'll be quick today. I had a question in a forum. Someone wanted to know what was a good replacement for Zoom. For whatever reason, they don't want to pay their subscription anymore. Zoom still does have a free version. I don't know why they didn't want to use the free version, but they were looking for alternatives. So there's a bit of a discussion occur. And yeah, there's always the standards that come up, and I think it's worthwhile discussing those standards that come up. There is Google Meet. Sorry, the dog just barked. There is Google Meet, which comes free with your Google account. So if you've got a standard Gmail account, you've got a Google Meet account. If you've got a Google Workspace account, you've got a Google Meet account. They each have slightly different limits, but you can have a meeting with those, and you can have a meeting with multiple people. So you've got Google Meet. You can do voice and you can do video, like we're doing here, video. So Google Meet's one of them. The other one is Teams, Microsoft Teams, and there's a bit of confusion about it, and I'm going to come back to Microsoft Teams in just a moment. There is also the one that I would probably recommend you have a good look at if you're looking for business meetings, and that's Zoho Meeting. There is a free level. You go to the pricings page. I'll put the link for Zoho into the notes here. You go to the pricing page, look at the free tier, and you can sign up for free, and you get 60 minutes worth of meetings with 100 participants. And it's not bad. And I've got mine all hooked up so that it does all my transcripts and stuff. I can just download a transcript of a meeting. I can look at it. I can do whatever I need to with it. Okay, so there's Zoho Meeting, there's Google Meet, and then there's Teams. And then the question was, well, do we all have access to Teams? And I didn't realize at the time that people didn't realize that Teams was free for anyone who has a Microsoft account. I really didn't realize that. Teams is the replacement, essentially. It's a bit different, but it's the replacement for Skype. And everyone who has a Microsoft account has a Teams account. It's a personal account. You can use it to do, it's not the business level Teams stuff. You don't get to share stuff, and you don't get to do your groups and stuff, but you can do voice meetings. You can do video meetings. I believe you can do little group chats in there as well. So it is much like Skype with a bit of difference, but it is there. Now, when I say you've got a Microsoft account, you've got access to Teams, I don't just mean that you own Windows and you've got your Windows registered. If you have an Outlook.com account, if you have a Hotmail account, if you have I can't think of the other one, Live account, that's it, Hotmail Live or Outlook, you will have access to Microsoft Teams, and you can run that in an app, like a web app, like just go to the web tab and log in there and use it on the web tab, or you can download Teams and run it on your computer. Now that's if you're running Windows. I'm pretty certain it runs on Mac, but I'd love some feedback because I don't use Mac. I don't have a Mac device at all. I don't even have an iOS device anymore. So I just wanted to make sure that one was clear out there, because it is a good option. It's a free option. It works quite well. I don't think it's as good as Skype. I'm a Skype girl from old. I loved Skype right up until Microsoft bought it. I'm going to get in trouble for that one. I loved Skype right up until Microsoft bought it, and then we started to see things change. It started to change because they had their own products that they were all trying to work together, and now they've got rid of Skype. The alternative is Teams. If you want to go from Zoom to something to do meetings, like one-on-one meetings, you want to be able to have those conversations and do those sorts of things, you can absolutely use Teams. You can use Google Meet. Or if you want something a little bit more for your business level stuff that gives you recording and such, have a look at Zoho Meeting. It's also a good one to look at. I'd love to know your feedback. What do you think? What do you use? Are you looking at something to replace Zoom? And if you are, why? What is it about Zoom that you aren't happy with? I don't use Zoom anymore, and I don't use Zoom because I get Google Zoho Meeting within my package for my business. So I use Zoho Meeting because it's all integrated. I use Zoom when other people are using it, of course, but I don't use it as my go-to product. But if you're looking to move from Zoom, why? What is it that's causing you to want to move? I'd love to know. I'd also love to know what you're using to do your meetings and why you're using it. So leave comments wherever you're watching or listening to this video. You can always come across and join my community, askcharlyleetham.locals.com. Join the conversation there. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a like. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so you find out when I drop more content. All right, guys, I'll see you the day after tomorrow. Bye. Hey there, thanks so much for tuning in to Rise and Shine, your daily business tech boost. I hope today's episode gave you some actionable insights that will make your business tech work smarter for you. If you found value, be sure to subscribe, leave a review, and share it with other small business owners who could use a daily boost. For more tips, tools, and resources, visit www.askcharlyleetham.com. Until next time, keep rising, keep shining, and let's make tech simple together.